So today I'm going to show you a tutorial on how to use Chatterpix with Class Dojo. So the first thing you want to do is open up the app Chatterpix if it's not open already, and you'll click Take a Photo, which is this yellow button right here. You're going to first take a picture of your artwork and click the camera button, make sure it's centered and close, and then you're going to use your finger to draw a line where you want the mouth. When you're ready, you'll click the red button to record. 3, 2, 1, go! And here is where you're going to talk about how you use contrast in your artwork. You can talk about how you use warm and cool colors, or use opposites in the background to make certain colors stand out and contrast each other. Some people use opposites with the faces, like one eye open, one eye closed. Here's an example.
I use contrast in this artwork by adding warm and cool colors on one side and then doing the opposite on the background. For example, the sun is using warm colors, red, oranges, and yellows, but the background makes it stand out because I use blues and greens, which are cool colors.
When you're done, you'll click Next again, and then you have to click Save to save it to the iPad. Once you see the little green check mark appear, you know it will be okay to go to Class Dojo. Please make sure you save it to the iPad before closing out of Chatterpix, or your video will be deleted and you will have to start over. So once that little green check mark appears, you can click the Home button and go to Class Dojo. Click your name. Then you're going to click your class and click the activity that says Aztec Suns and click Start. Instead of taking a picture of it, you want to go to your camera roll, which is the little mountains, and yours should be in that top left corner. Make sure to click Select, and then you'll just click the check mark and the blue hand in button. Then you can back out to go back to your class so the next person can use the iPad.